terms, numbers 1 through 24. Here we go. Numbers 1, 2, and 3, the directions say to state each ratio as a fraction in lowest terms. So we're going to write each of these as a fraction in lowest terms. Now, first of all, is this already a fraction? Yes, it is. So we're good there. But can it be reduced? Yes, it can. So let's reduce it, okay? Let's see. Both of these are even numbers, so I know that 2 will go into both these numbers. So I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 2. 46 divided by 2 is 23. 60 divided by 2 is 30. And that's it, guys. 23 is what we call a prime number. Nothing goes into 23 but 1 and itself. And that's it. So this fraction cannot be reduced anymore. So there we go. Problem number 1 finished. Moving on to number 2. Okay, so they want us to write this ratio as a fraction and reduced. So first of all, it's going to be 16 millimeters over 3 centimeters. Now, at first glance, it looks like, and by the way, guys, the number that's first, that's the one that goes up top, and the one that's second is the one that goes in the bottom, okay? But anyways, at first glance, it looks like we're done because 16 and 3 cannot be reduced. However, we have to remember, we do like our measurements to be the same when you're dealing with a ratio. Now, I'm going to argue a little bit with the book on this one because we've done tons of problems already in this chapter where we've had percentages over numbers. We've had miles per hour. So I really disagree with this, but on the test, I will not give you any that have different measurements like this, okay? But still, just in case there's, any concerns, let's go over this real quick, okay? Now, guys, in case you forgot some of your metric conversions, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters, okay? So that means every 1 centimeter I have is 10 millimeters. So I have 3 centimeters. So 3 centimeters means I have what? 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter for 3, right? Well, each of those is 10. So 1 centimeter is 10, 1 centimeter is 10, 1 centimeter is 10, 10, 20, 30. So 3 centimeters is the same thing as 30 millimeters. Now, if that didn't make a lot of sense, let me explain it to you another way. Okay, look at it like this, guys. If 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters, think about it, then I simply take 3, my 3 right here, times 10, because there are 3 centimeters, and each centimeter is worth 10 millimeters. 3 times 10 gives me 30 millimeters. So, instead of having 3 centimeters right here, instead I'm going to put 30 millimeters. And now, 2 goes into both of these numbers. 2 goes into 16 8 times. 2 goes into 30 15 times. So your answer is 8 over 15. Now, again, I'm going to argue with the book on this one because we have had plenty of ratios that have not had the same measurements. In fact, here's one right here for you. How about this, guys? Remember when we did scale drawings? And sometimes in the scale drawings it would say 2 inches equals 3, I don't know, if it's a map, maybe like 3 miles or something. And that's a ratio, 2 inches per 3 miles, and that's totally different measurements. So I'm not really very fond of this problem. On your test, I will not give you any of different measurements like this, okay? All right, number 3. Okay, so 18 to 15, so we're going to put 18 over 15 there. Remember, the directions say to write your answer as a fraction and reduced. So there's 2 things you have to do. Now, number 1 was already written as a fraction. We just had to reduce it. But number 2 was not. we had to write that as a fraction. Number 3, we have to write that as a fraction. And now 3 goes into both these numbers. 3 goes into 18 6 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times. So the fraction reduces to 6 fifths. Okay? All right, moving on to numbers 4, 5, and 6. Now, 4, 5, and 6, the directions say to solve these proportional. Hopefully you remember how to do this, okay? When you have two ratios set equal, you cross multiply. 27 times n is 27n. Then we take 63 times 42. Let's do that real quick over here. 126, 252, 226. That should be a 4. Now, guys, if I made any mistakes, I did do it quickly, so hopefully I didn't. When I multiplied 63 times 42, I got 2,646. Okay? Now, let's say we got to divide both sides by 27, right? So, n equals, let's see, 2,646 divided by 27 probably goes at 9 times 72. Carry your 7, 252. That leaves you with 12. Bring down your 6. And let's see here. This would go in 7 times. No, not quite. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I apologize. Remember, I do know my math. I've been trying to go really fast here, guys, to save time. And so when that happens, mistakes are going to happen sometimes. And I multiplied wrong. You get 63, carry your 6, 243, which gives you 21. There we go. Now, 27 goes into 216, 8 times 56, carry your 5. Yep, that's exactly right. So there we go. It equals 98. Okay? All right, number 5. Okay, here we go. Let's cross multiply this way first. 4.8 times 3 would give me 24. Carry your 2. 14 come over once. So we get 14.4 equals, and then r times 1.2 would be 1.2r. Now, divide both sides by 1.2. These cancel. And so we have a division problem here. 14.4 divided by 1.2. Now, guys, remember you never want to divide with a decimal out here. So we're going to take this decimal and move it here so it's gone. But if we move that one place, we got to move this one place so it's also gone. And guys, it's pretty simple. We all know that 12 times 12 is 144. So 12 goes into 144 12 times. Now, if you want to see that worked out, no problem. I don't mind that. 12 goes into 14 once. 1 times 12 is 12. Subtract the 2. Bring down your 4. 12 goes into 24 2 times. 2 times 12 is 24. And you still get 12 either way, okay? So there's your answer. All right? Okay, number 6. Okay, so we multiply 7 times 9. That gives you 63. Then we multiply 21 times t, and that gives us 21t. Divide both sides by 21. These cancel, leaving you with t equals. Now, guys, I can reduce this. 3 goes into 63 21 times, and 3 goes into 21 7 times. Now, look at that, guys. Look, you have 21 over 7. Let me go over that again. I noticed right away that 3 went into both of these numbers. So 3 goes into 63 21 times. 3 goes into 21 7 times. And then I have 21 over 7. And of course, that's just 3 because 21 divided by 7 is 3. All right? So there we go. There's our answer, 3. Okay? All right. Moving on to numbers 7, 8, and 9. Number 7, find the average speed. So, we have a train that travels, are you ready? 442, look, kilometers per 5, and I'm not going to put 5.5, I'm I'm going to put 5.5 kilometers per hour. So 442 kilometers per 5.5 hours. Okay? Now, guys, think about it. Please, please listen. How would you find the average speed? Well, look, if I told you you're driving down the street at 30 miles per hour, that would mean what? 30 miles per how many hours? 1 hour. So when we're trying to find speed, the best way to do that is to get a 1 in the what? Denominator. That should make sense. So if I want to make 5.5 become a 1, I have to divide it by what? 5.5. But guys, you cannot just divide a denominator by anything you want. Well, actually, you can. But if you're going to do that, you also have to do it to the top. You can't just do it to the bottom without doing it to the top. It's like reducing a fraction. If I have 3 over 6, if I divide the top by 3, I have to also divide the bottom by 3 to give me 1/2, right? So, if I'm going to divide by 5.5, then I got to divide the top by what? 5.5 also. Now, when I do that, we know what the denominator becomes. That's easy. I mean, anything divided by itself is just 1. Okay, that's easy. So 5.5 divided by 5.5 is 1. But here's where the work is up here. I have to take 442 and divide it by 5.5, which we know what that means, guys, right? I gotta take this decimal, move it one place, take this decimal right here, even though you can't see it, move it one place. So decimal's here, move it one place, it's here, but it's 0. Okay? And now let's see what happens. 55 goes into 448 times, or 442 8 times, and you will get 440. Subtract, you get a 2, bring down to 0, and 55 goes into 20. 0 times 55 is 0. That's 20. Let's add some zeros here. Let's bring down this 0. 55 goes into 200 3 times. 3 times 55 is 165. That gives you 35. Bring down your next 0. And I mean, I'm not sure how far we're going to go. Let's see. 55 goes into 350. Would it be 6? I think 6 times. That would be 330. Which gives you 20. Bring down a 0. And then it's going to keep repeating, guys. 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, over and over. So you can write your answer like this. I have no problem with that. Okay, that's fine. Or you could round. You could say, okay, this 6 means make the 3 a 4, so you could put 80.4. I have no problem with that. Or you could look at the 3 right here and say, okay, that 3 tells me to leave the 0 alone, so it's 80. I really don't care, okay? Any of those answers are fine, but you would word it like this. Your answer would be 80 kilometers per 80 kilometers per hour, or if you chose to round here, then it would be 80.4 kilometers per hour, or you could say 80.36 repeating kilometers per hour. Look this over. Make sure you know how to solve these types of problems, okay? All right, number 8. Okay, Country Market is selling 2 containers of yogurt for $1.18. How many containers could you buy for $2.95? Now, guys, ratios. Look at this. 2 containers for $1.18, right? So write that down. 2 containers for $1.18. Now, I see another ratio here. How many containers, that's your X, can you buy for $2.95? So X containers for $2.95. Look how easy that is, guys. It's all set up. Now remember, if you have containers up top, you must have containers up top over here. We do. If somehow this would have been flip-flopped, then Okay? Now, let's cross multiply. 2 times 295. That should give you what? 590, I believe? Yes, 590. So 5.90. $1.18 times x is $1.18x. And now, just solve for x. These cancel. And let's see what we get. We have 1.18 going into 5.90. Move the decimal 2 places and it's gone. Move this decimal 2 places and it's gone. So those 2 decimals are hasta la vista. They are gone. And I think this goes in 5 times even. That's what the answer is here. Let's see. Let's put a 540, carry your 4, 9. Yep, 590. So x equals what? 5. So up here, we can put what number for x? 5. Let's see if that matches what we're looking for. 2 containers cost $1.18, so 5 containers cost $2.95. And the question was, how many containers can you buy for $2.95? Yep, that's the answer. So the answer is, and learn to label your answers in word problems, okay? The answer is 5. That's an E, 5 containers, okay? All right, number 9. Okay, the actual distance between two cities is 340 kilometers. A map has a scale that shows this right here. What is the distance on the map? So here we go, okay? There's my ratio. Everybody see it? That's my ratio. 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 kilometers in real life. So, the actual distance, my real life distance, is 340 kilometers. So, on the map, 1 centimeter on the map equals 10 kilometers in real life. So, I have x centimeters on the map per 340 kilometers. Now, let's cross multiply. 1 times 340 is 340. 10 times x is 10x. Let's divide both sides by 10. 10's cancel. 10 goes into 340 34 times. And there we go. So 34 equals x. Pick it up, put it right here. Okay. So now I have 34 kilometers. All right. 34 kilometers. Or centimeters, excuse me. There we go. So 1 centimeter equals 10 kilometers in real life. So 34 centimeters equals 340 kilometers in real life. So what is the distance on the map? 34 centimeters. Okay? All right. So make sure you know how to solve problems like this on the test. Okay, numbers 10, 11, 12, and 13. They want us to write the number as a percent. Change it to a percent. This one's easier, guys. You know, if you have a decimal and you want to change it to a percent, simply move it two spaces to the right. So 0.93 is 93%. Number 11, okay? Again, it's a decimal, so we move the decimal 2 places to the right. 1, 2. So my answer is 7.24%. Alright, number 12. Okay, now, this is a fraction, obviously, and I've taught you guys how to convert a fraction to a percent. You always multiply the fraction times 100 over 1. So, 100 goes into 1,000 10 times. 100 goes into 100 once. 25 times 1 is 25. 10 times 1 is 10. So, let's divide 10. That's my percent. That's my percent. I don't like a mixed number percent. Or, excuse me, I don't like an improper fraction percent. So I'm going to change it to a mixed number. Okay, so 10 goes into 25 2 times. 2 times 10 is 20. Subtract to get a 5. Put 5 over 10. Which, of course, is the same thing. 5 over 10 is the same thing as 1/2. And so there we go. 25 over 10% is 2.5% or 2.5, okay? All right, same thing with number 13, guys. Number 13 is a fraction. So, how do you change a fraction to a percent? You multiply it by 100 over 1. 4 goes into both these numbers. 4 goes into 8 twice. 4 goes into 125 times. 5 times 25 is 125. 2 times 1 is 2. So there's your percent. But guys, on your test, I don't want you to leave your percents in proper fractions. So let's make this a mixed number real quick. 2 goes into 12 6 times. 2 goes into 5 twice. 1 over 2. There we go. So 125 over 2 is the exact same thing as 62.5%. Okay? So make sure for your test you know how to convert fractions and decimals to percents. Okay? Moving on to number 14. Now, number 14. Now, guys, some of you in the past have tried to solve these using what I call the rectangle method. And that's fine. If you want to use the rectangle, I never taught you how to do that, but if you want to use the rectangle method, that's fine, okay? Let's do that real quick. You know what? Let's not. Sorry, I forgot. Let's first of all do it the way that I taught you. I taught you guys when it's not a word problem, just like a real quick sentence like this, I said use math expressions for words. For example, what, that's your unknown, is, that's your equals, 53% is 0.53, of it is multiplying, 244 is 244, okay? So, x equals these two numbers being multiplied. So, real quick, my answer would be 2 carry 1, 3 carry 1, 7, 20, 22, 12. There we go. There's your answer. 129.32. Now that's how I taught you to do it. But some of you on the last quiz really wanted to use the rectangle method. Now guys, if you weren't done writing all that down, just back up the video and copy it down again, okay? But if you want to use the rectangle method, I'm all for that. But there's one thing you need to know about the rectangle method, okay? And that is this. The rectangle method, the of number is always your 100%. If you'll remember that, you'll be fine, okay? So if you like the rectangle method better, no problem. Here's your of number of 244, so that's your 100%. Now, next is 53%, so 53% is about right here, and we're trying to find that number here. So if you like it like that, no problem. X over 0.53 equals 244 over 1. And you get the same thing. Look, 1 times x is x. 0.53 times 24. Guys, we just did that a second ago. Over here, we just multiplied all that together. Remember? We just did that a second ago. Oh. A second ago, we just did that. And we got, well, it's partially erased, but we got this right here. Look, we just did that, okay? So, we've already done that, okay? So, multiply those two numbers together right here, and you'll get your answer, 129.32. So, guys, I don't care which method you use. On this review sheet video, we're going to do these both ways, okay? So, number 15, this is not a word problem. This is the good old sentence. Here's how I recommend you do it. You have 1.6, put 1.6. You have is, put equals. You have 8%, put 0.08. Up means multiply what number is x. So 0.08 times x is the same thing as 0.08x. Now divide both sides by 0.08. These cancel. And we have 0.08 going into 1.6. Move the decimal 2 places so it's gone. Move this decimal 2 places. And we have 160. Alright? So, move the decimal 2 places. Move the decimal 2 places. 1 the answer, guys. 20. Okay? Now, if you want to use the rectangle method, hey, more power to you. Okay? Remember, your of number is your 100%. Got it? Just pretend that's a rectangle. And we'll try it one more time. Wow, it's beautiful. Anyways, your of number is your 100%. So it says of what? Of what number? So your x, your question mark, is going to be your what? 100%. And then 8% is what? There we go. So here's your first ratio right here. 1.6 over 0.08. Here's your next ratio here. X over, move your decimal 2 places, over 1. 0.08 times x. 1.6 times 1. And guys, that's what we just did. We just divided 0.08 into 1.6. So I'm not going to do it again. We just did that. And remember, we got 20. So either method works as long as you remember your of number is always your what? 100%. Okay? All right, number 16. Here we go. Okay, so 35 is what percent? That's your x of is multiplied times 140. Okay? Now, guys, we know x times 140 is the same thing as 140 times x. And 140 times x is the same thing as 140x. Okay? Now, how do we solve this? Divide both sides by 140. These cancel. And here we go. 140 goes into 35 point. Add some zeros. Let's see. Should be 420. That leaves you with this right here. That would go in 2 times, which would be 280. Leaves you with 20. And 140 would go into 200 once. And it leaves you with 68. Bring down another 0. I'm not sure how far they want us to take this, but I have messed up somewhere. I'm supposed to get 25%. I hate it when I mess up, but it just happens. So, oh my goodness, look what I did. I said 350 minus 420 is 300. Yep, time for you guys to get a new, younger, non-senile math teacher. Okay, here we go. So 14 goes into 350 twice. That's 280. That gives you 70. All right, bring down to 0. And 140 does go into 700 5 times exactly. 5 times 140 is 700. Sorry about that. And we get 0.25. Now the problem is they want a percent, so move the decimal in 2 places, and your answer is 25%. Now, if you want the rectangle method, I have no problem with that at all. No problem at all with that. Remember, your of number is always your 100%. So here's your 100%. Here's your 140. And then 35 would be about right here. That's your x. So your first ratio is 35 over x. Your next ratio is 140 over 1. 35 times 1 is 35. 148 times x is 140x. Now look, guys, you know what to do. You're going to divide both sides by 140, right? But guys, that's what we did right here. Look, 35 equals 140x. 35 equals 140x. The same thing. You got the same answer, okay? So either method works. Okay, number 17. All right, what your unknown is equals now. This is going to be tough, okay? Because I don't want to. I've got to convert this over to a non-percent. Okay. Now I taught you how to do this. Do you remember how to convert a percent to a fraction. Do you remember? You divide, you take the percent and you divide it by what? 100. Got it? So, if I've got to, I can't put, guys, look, you can't put 15 and 2/3% in a problem. You have to convert it to either a decimal or a fraction. I'm going to convert it to a fraction. So, 15 and 2/3 is the same thing as 47 over 3. How did I get that? 3 times 15 is 45, and 45 plus 2 is 47. Okay, that's how I did that. So, 47 over 3. Okay, now that's your percent. How do you change that percent to a fraction? Well, remember you divide it by 100, which is the same thing as saying 47 over 3 divided by what? 100. Remember that? Which is the same thing as times 1 over 100. Remember, you flip the fraction, guys. You take the 100 over 1 and you flip it. If this was over 1, you would flip it and then multiply. So it would be this. Okay? So 47 times 1 is 47. 3 times 100 is 300. So there we go. Now, this is the exact same thing as this fraction right here. 47, 300. Okay, so this is this. Alright? Of means multiply times 60. So there we go. X equals this fraction here times 60. So I'll put the 60 over 1 and let's get to work. 30 goes into 30 once. 30 goes into 60 twice. 47 times 2 is 94. 1 times 1 is 1. And 94 over 1 is 94. And that is your answer. Okay? Or it would be 9.4. This might be 9.4. Let's see here real quick. Yeah, guys, I'm wrong on that. Sorry, guys. Hate that, but I made another mistake when I was converting the... Boy, oh boy, guys, I'm hitting a home run tonight, aren't I? When I was converting this to a percent, and maybe you guys caught it, I divided it by 100. So I flipped it, and I multiplied like this, and 47 times 1 is 47. 3 times 100 is 300, and I put 30, so that's fine. So 47 over 300 times 60. Okay, that's all I did wrong. 3 times 100 is 300. Okay, now, guys, 60 goes into both these numbers. 60 goes into 60 once. 60 goes into 35 times. 47 times 1 is 47. 5 times 1 is 5. And for right, that is a mixed number. 5 goes into 47 9 times with 2 left over. So 2/5 like this. 5 goes into 47 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45. Subtract, you get a 2. And the 2 goes over the 5, so 2/5. And there we go. Now, guys, look. If you want to shrink that down a little bit, make it smaller, and put it up here. If you want to use the rectangle method, I have no problem with that at all. Okay? There's the rectangle method. Your of number is always your 100%. Okay? We have 15 and 2/3%. That's about right here. And this would be your x. So here's your first ratio here. X over, now guys, think we already converted this to a fraction. Remember, we got 47 over 300 equals this ratio here, which would be 60 over 1. 1 times x is x. 60 times this number here. We already did that, guys, right here. Look, we already took 60 times 47 over 300. We got 9 and 2/5. We already did it. You get the exact same thing. You get the exact same thing. X times 1 is X. And 60 times this fraction here is 9 and 2/5. How do I know that? Because we did it right up here. We took 60 times 47 over 300. And you get the same thing. So, guys, listen, I don't care if you use the rectangle method or the using mathematical substitutions for words method. That's up to you, okay? But listen, whichever method you use, just know it well, okay? Like, look, you understand, guys, these are not word problems, okay? These are just expressions that we're solving. When it's not a word problem, personally, I do not recommend this method. I recommend what is your unknown is equals, change your percent to a fraction or a decimal. Up means multiply, bring down your number, and you've got a nice equation. I personally think that's better, but that's up to you, okay? Now, when it comes to word problems like number 18, for me, guys, I'm going to use the rectangle method every time, okay? Because with word problems, I think it just helps a lot, okay? So, let's jump into number 18, and let's see how we do here. Okay, students, so here we go. Now listen, guys. The total cost of a camera, including the sales tax, is this much, okay? So, what is the selling price, okay? Now look, guys, there's a couple ways to look at this. I've told you quite a few times. The best way to get started on these word problems is to figure out what your 100% is. You know what I mean? That's the best way to do it, okay? So, I've taught you a couple of things. Just a couple minutes ago, I said to you, your of number is going to be your 100%. So you could see that it says sales tax 6% of the selling price. So that tells you there the selling price is your 100%. The only problem with that is when it comes to word problems is there might be 2 or 3 ofs. Of, of. So I don't recommend that. Instead, here's what I've always told you guys. The original number, right, before there's been an increase or before there's been a decrease, the original number is always your what? 100%. So we had an increase of 6%. Guys, the original cost before you had a 6% increase of tax is your 100%. And that's how I teach it, okay? So, the original price is your 100%, okay? Now, from there, what happened? Well, from there, we had a 6% increase. So we're going to go which way? This way. We're going to go how much that way? 6%. If it would have been a decrease, we would have gone this way, okay? So, I'm going to go over, I'm going to increase, and I'm going to increase how much? 6%. So now this becomes what? 106%. Now, after the increase, what was my cost? This right here. And look at that, I'm all set up now, guys. I can now find the original selling price or the original price, or we can call it the selling price, whatever you want to call it. So, here's your first ratio here. X over, move your decimal 2 places, 1 equals 169.55 over, move your decimal 2 places, 1.06. Now, cross multiply here. 1.06 times x is, do it right over here, 1.06x. Multiply here. 1 times 169.59 is 169.55. And now, we're going to divide both sides by 1.06. These cancel. And here we go. 169.55 divided by 1.06. Move the decimal 2 places, and it's gone. Move this decimal 2 places here, and it's gone. It's over here now. And here we go. Let's see. 106 goes into 169 once. That's 106. That gives me 63. Bring down by 5. 106 goes into 635 5 times. That would give me 530. Subtract, and I get 105. Bring down your 5. And 106 goes into 1055 9 times. We would get 954, I believe. When you subtract, you get 101. Bring down a 0. And I am going to run out of room, so just allow me to do this. Okay. There we go. So, add a 0. Bring down a 0. 106 goes into 1010 9 times. We know that 9 times 106 is 954. Subtract, we get 56. Bring down your 0, and then we put a 5 here. And let's see, what do we get? We get 530. Subtract, we get 30. And then, guys, look, it's dollar. We're dealing with a price here, right? What is the selling price? So, if I know that 106 goes to 300 about 2 times, so I know for sure this 2 right here tells me I'm not going to raise the 5. I'm going to leave it alone when it comes to rounding. So there we go. So x equals 159.95. Now, let's see if that answers the question. So this is what x equals. So this goes right up here. That's the selling price. And what am I asking for? The selling price. I'm done. That's my answer. Okay? All right, number 19. Okay, Margaret Sherman's annual business expenses have increased from this to this. What is the percent of increase? Okay, again, guys, listen, your original number is your 100%. Please don't forget that. So, it says her expenses have increased from this to this. So before the increase, this was my first number. This is my original number. All right. Now, it says they have increased. So we're going to move to the right. And we're going to move to the right up to 3,175. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. 3,175. So this is my x. Alright? So here's my first ratio here. 2,500 over 1 equals, here's my next ratio here. 3,175 over x. 2,500 times x. 1 times 3,175. Divide both sides by 2,500. These cancel. And let's do our work. Okay, here we go. So, you know what, guys? Let's make it easier. Let's reduce this first. For example, 5 goes into both these numbers. 5 goes into this. 635. 5 goes into this. 500. And let's reduce it again. 5 goes into this again. 1, 2, 7, I believe. Let me make sure. Make sure I'm not making a mistake here like I've done before. Yep, that's right. And then 5 goes into 500 100 times. So that's a lot easier to divide than these big numbers here. Okay, so let's take 100 into 127. All right, let's see what we get. Okay, guys, so here we go. So 100 goes to 127 one time. Subtract, we get 27, bring down 0. 100 goes into 270 two times. 2 times 100 is 200. Subtract, bring down to 0. 100 goes into 700 7 times. So x equals 1.27. Okay? Now, my answer is supposed to be a percent. So I've got to change this to a percent, and I get 127%. So that goes right here. Okay? But guys, is that what they're asking? No. It's asking what's the percent of increase. What is the increase? What's the percent of increase? So the total percent 3175 is of 2500 is 127%. But the increase was from 100 to how much? 127. So the increase was how much of a percent? 27%. Okay? All right. Number 20. Here we go. The salesperson earns a salary plus a commission. Okay? Now their commission is 9% of total sales. How much is the commission on sales totaling 1654? Now, first of all, it always helps, guys, to get your 100% nailed down. Okay, so let's see what we got here. A salesperson earns a salary plus a commission, and the commission is what? It's 9% out of total sales. So your total sales is going to be your 100%. Now, your actual commission is 9%. So, somewhere down here, now let's read on, okay? How much is the commission? So that's my X. How much is the commission if my total sales were 1654? So I know now that my total sales is 1654, $1,654. And I'm all set. Here's my first ratio here. So x over, move the decimal 2 places, 0.09. Here's my next ratio, 1,654 over 1. Cross multiply, x times 1 is x, 0.09 times 1654. 36, carrier 3, 48, carrier 4, 58, carrier 5, 14. And this would be 4 zeros here. We have 14, 8, 8, 6, go over 2 places, and there we go. So x equals 148.86. Now that's your x. So that would go right up here. So students, the question is, does that answer what I'm looking for? Let's see. It says, how much is the commission that she made? So yes, that is your answer. When she sold $1,654 worth of merchandise, then she made $148.86 extra. Okay? All right. Number 21. A refrigerator was discounted 30% of the original price. Now the discounted price is $447.30. What was the original price? So here we go. First of all, guys, it always helps to find that 100%. Okay, so remember when it comes to increases and decreases, the original number is always going to be your 100%. Okay, so before this refrigerator was discounted, that was the original price, and so that's going to be your 100%. Okay, so your 100% is your original price. Now, be careful, guys. Listen. Don't put a 30% over here. It doesn't say the refrigerator was 30% of the original price. It doesn't say that. It says it was discounted 30%. So that means you decrease how much? 30%. That would put you out where? 70%. See how I did that? And the discounted price was right here, 447.30. So there's one ratio right there, 447.30 over 0.70 equals, here's your next ratio right here, x over 1. Now, 447.30 times 1 is 447.3. I was going to put 0.3 instead of 30. Same thing here, guys. 0.70 times x is 0.70x, but guys, we know 0.70 is the same thing as just 0.7. It makes it easier, okay? Now, divide by 0.7, divide by 0.7. These cancel, leave me with x, and here we go. 0.7 gets divided into 447.3. Move this decimal here one place and it's gone. Move this decimal here one place and it's right there. Bring it up, and here we go. 7 goes into 42 6 times. 6 times 7 is 42. Subtract. 7 goes into 27. 3 times 7 is 21. Subtract. And 7 goes into 63 9 times. And so it comes out to exactly 639. Now that's your x, so it goes right over here. And that is your what? Original price. And what were they asking for? The original price. Okay, guys? Alright, number 22. The Pro Shop sold 6 of 20 tennis rackets in May. What percent of the tennis rackets were sold? Okay, guys, so here we go. I mean, again, this shouldn't be too hard to figure out. They sold 6 out of 20. So 20 is your 100%. 6 would be your percent here that you're looking for. And so here we go. 6 over x equals 20 over 1. 6 times 1 is 6. 20 times x is 20x. Divide both sides by 20. These cancel. 6 over 20 is 3 over 10. Now that would be your answer, guys. That would be your answer, but look, you're trying to find a percent. Okay, so you've got to change this over to a percent. How do you change a fraction to a percent? Remember, you multiply it by what? 100. So 10 goes into 10 once. 10 goes into 100 10 times. 3 times 10 is 30. 1 times 1 is 1. 30 over 1 is 30. So there you go. 30%. Okay, so if 20 rackets is 100%, then 6 rackets would be 30%. Okay? Alright, number 23. Okay, this term, 36% of the students in one class are on the honor roll. Okay? If 9 students are on the honor roll, how many students are in the class? Okay, well, guys, here we go again. Let's find your 100%. Okay? 36% of the students are in the honor roll. So, you're taking 36% of what? Of the students. So, your 100% then is the total number of what? Students. Of course, not in the whole school, but in that one class, okay? Look at it again, guys. It says 36% of the students, out of the students. So your 100% is the students. So 36%, it says 36% are on the honor roll. So 36% are going to be your what? They're going to be your honor roll students. Now, do they tell us the total students? No. Do they tell us how many honor roll students we have? Yes. If 9 students are on the honor roll. So my honor roll students are 9. There we go. We're all set. And it's asking for a look how many students are in the class. And that's what we got right here, total students. So 9 over 0.36 is one ratio. My next ratio is x over 1. 9 times 1 is 9. 0.36 times x is 0.36. Divide both sides by 0.36. These cancel, leaving you with x. And here we go. 0.36 goes into 9. Well, we got to move this decimal here 2 places and it's gone. And then we got to move this decimal here 2 places, 1, 2. So we got to add 2 zeros. And here we go. 36 goes into 90 twice. That's 72. Leaves you with 18. And then 36 goes into 180. What would that be? Let's see. 5, I believe. Yes, 5. And so there we go. X equals 25. And of course, X is your total students, which is what they were looking for. How many total students are there in the class? 25. Okay? All right, guys. Now this last one, remember, you're allowed to use a calculator to make it faster, okay? So how do I know that? Because of this word here. If it says compounded, you can use a calculator. If it doesn't, then you can't, okay? All right, so you invest $500 at 6% interest, compounded monthly, okay? You make no other deposits or withdrawals. What is the value of your investment after 3 months? So, look, guys, it says your money is compounded monthly. What does that mean? That means the interest is figured every month. Every month, they're going to add more interest to your account. That's a good thing. Okay, that's a good thing. So, you're going to have your first month. You're going to have your second month. And you're going to have your third month. Okay? So what's the formula we use? Remember, I equals PRT. And here we go. Interest, that's what we're looking for. Principal, well, that's how much you are investing, 500. Your rate is your percentage. Now don't put 6 guys, it's 0.06. Time, now be careful. It's been in for how many months? 1 month. So you don't put 1, you put 1/12, because remember your time always has to be in what? Years. 1 month is 1/12 of a year. Now guys, use your calculators like I told you to. So 500 times 0.06. Multiply these two numbers together and you get 30. Okay? And now bring down your 1/12 and 30 times 1/12 is 250. Okay? So, not much of a gain. That's okay. Not much of a lot of money, but you start off with this much, you gain this much, add those two together, and you get $502.50. Okay? Now we do it again. So now the next month rolls around, okay? Next month rolls around. For my I put an I. Now for your principal, don't put 500. Remember, now in your account, when they go to figure your second month of interest, they're going to use this number here. Okay, so 502.50 times my rate, 0.06 times my time. Now, guys, don't put 2/12. So Mr. Earhart is the second month. Yes, it is. You're right. But remember, they refigure the interest like they're starting over using a new number. So, yes, you're right, it's the second month they figured interest, but it's the first month they figured interest with this new number. Remember, last month we used this number here. Now, this month we're using this number here. So it's for 1 month, so 1/12. So here we go. So 502.50 times 0.06 will give you this. No, that can't be right. Yeah, that's right. Multiply these two numbers together and you will get out 30.15. All right. Bring down your 1/12. And now take 30.15 times 1/12 and you'll get $2. Well, you'll actually get this 2.5125. Well, this 2 right here tells you to leave that 1 alone. So we're not going to round it up. It's be 251. So you start off with this. You gain this much here. Add those two numbers together, and you get $503.01. Okay? All right. Moving on. Now for the last month. So again, it's done the same way, only now you're going to use this number here for your principal. So I is your interest. For your principal, we're going to use 503.01. Your rate is 0.06. And your time again is 1/12. We're figuring your interest on just 1 month. Okay? So let's multiply these two numbers here. Let's see what we get. 503.01 times 0.06 is 30.1806. And then bring down your 1/12 and let's multiply those two together. And you'll get this right here. You will get 2.5. Okay, students, I'm back. Guys, I want to show you something. I made a mistake here, back here, if you'll look. And you guys probably caught this. I don't know what I was thinking, but look, guys, and I'm really sorry about this, guys, but when you're doing these videos, you're trying to go fast to save time and doing a lot of stuff in your head. If you add 502.51 plus 251, you're not going to get 503.01. You're going to get 505.01. And I'm really sorry about that, guys. So this should be 505.01. So just a little mistake like that can really mess things up. Okay, so now let's take 505.01 times 0.06 and you get 30.306. And now multiply that times 1/12 and you get 2.52505. So guys, we're going to round this. This 5 here tells you to make that a 3, right? So it would be $2.53. Okay? So we take this plus this, and we would get 507.54, which is the exact answer we should get. Okay? Now, I do apologize for the 3 mistakes I made during this video throughout these problems. Really hate that for you guys, but I was trying to go fast to make the video a little shorter than or as short as possible, guys. So, but anyways, I hope this video has been a help. If you have any questions at all,